Let's see how many eggs these bitches put in today, but I don't got a bucket. Okay, hold on. Don't get the eggs. Okay, I don't got a bucket, so we're using my shirt. We're gonna leave this crazy one alone. Ow, it ain't do anything. Fucking crazy bitch. One there? No. That's 3. Ouch. 5. Oh, I gotta check. You know what? I'm gonna leave you alone, Miss Girl. I'm not doing that. We checked over there and there's none over there. That one's mean too. How many is this? 5. Heck. Oh. Heck. None over there. None over there. None over there. Look, she had her baby. She had 3. She had triplets, but though one came out with 2 legs, another one came out with 3.